Hi, my name is Hannah, and you're watching an installment of the Spurs training videos that concerns Spotlight's emailing and exporting. In one of our previous videos, we explained how to handle Spotlights, how to find your way around in trying to determine the cause and effect of any given issue, and what different ways there are of actioning the Spotlights to drive your productivity on site. In this video, we will go over the two ways you can share specific spotlights with your superiors or trades in charge of resolving those issues, emailing a given set of spotlights, and exporting the entire or part of the spotlight list to PDF. Let's get started. As we mentioned in one of our previous videos, once you open your project on Impulse, your default view will consist of the Building Overview center stage, the Subcontractor filter and the Week selector on the left, and the toggle legend and a Spotlights list on the right. The default view of the Spotlights list shows all open spotlights on the entire phase or wing, depending on the way your project is structured. At the bottom of the Spotlights list, you can see a box with two export list options, the email option and the export to PDF option. You will notice that in the overall default view, the email option is unavailable. In order to send out a certain set of spotlights via email, you would either need to use the trade filter to select a specific subcontractor, task, or component that you would like to address, or navigate to your action list. The first scenario might come in handy when discussing open issues with a specific trade or when preparing material for the next trade meeting. The second scenario will work only if there are spotlights added to your action list. Sending out the entire action listed set of spotlights is meant to ease communication and decision making when it comes to on-site issue handling, workforce allocation, or simply checking off issues with superiors or trades once addressed. Once you have an idea of what you want to convey and to whom, simply click on the email button. A window will appear that will take a few seconds to load all selected spotlights. Once done, you will be shown a prompt to enter the recipient's email address, review the body of the email, and edit the email subject and intro according to your preference. In the body of the email, all spotlights will be preceded with the trade name in question. Each spotlight will have a title, component, and issue in question, the description, location, priority, and duration of the issue, as well as any eventual comments that were left by any user. A snippet of the image will be shown to give extra perspective, along with a link that will lead directly to that spotlight in Impulse in case the recipient has user permissions on Impulse. You will notice that your email address is automatically CC'd so that you receive the same email in your inbox and can see exactly what was sent to your coworkers. Once you click the Send button, you will be shown a message saying your action was successful and the window will close to allow further browsing. The PDF export option offers a bit more flexibility than the email option, in that you can export any selection of spotlights, whether a specific filter is applied or not. This allows you to, for instance, export the entire list of open spotlights and prepare it for review or a meeting of any sort. This option also supports a wide variety of scenarios, depending on what you wish to convey and what your priorities are at that moment. For example, you might want to collect all open issues preventing a unit or area from being completed, print out an issue overview, and post it on relevant locations for trades on site to see when entering the area. This will make small remaining works easier to track and action, thus minimizing the risk of delays. Once you've decided which set of spotlights you want to export, just click on the PDF button and hold on for a few seconds while the list is generated. Once the loading bar disappears, make sure to scroll through the entire preview and see if all images loaded correctly. Once reviewed, simply click on the Export button, edit the outgoing file if necessary, and confirm by clicking Save. As when downloading any file, select the preferred folder, edit the name if necessary, then click Save one more time. Congratulations, you created a PDF that is now ready to be sent or printed out. This concludes our Spotlights email and export training video. Should you have any questions after watching this video, do not hesitate to reach out to the solution consultant on your project and ask for further clarification. Thank you for watching.